I can't sleep because I miss him. I don't question why he's not there, but I miss him. I miss him so much.
It's okay, man. Tell me, man.
Like, I miss him so much. But maybe he's at peace. I don't know.
It's okay, man. Tell me.
No, it's not okay. Whew. It's not okay. He's not going to come back. But at the same time, he's not in pain. So every time I think of crying, I feel like I'm disappointing him because he never cried. My son never cried. My son was stronger than me. My son never cried, guys. When my son was born, a lot was said that he's like this causing Twalingai. A lot of Sangomas had a lot to say. Some were doing videos about it. And then they came back and said, my sisters are punishing me through him. Joe, like, people spoke about my son from when he was born till now. He's gone. They still say some things. So I'll never rest.
But don't mind them to me, man. Like, you have to rest.
You can't not mind it. It's there. You can't. You can't. It's just you can't. It's there. I won't lie. I won't lie and say, I'm not minding it. It's there. Talk about me. Talk about my BBL that doesn't make sense. Talk about my fake calling. Talk about me being fake. Talk about me being broke. It's okay. What did Monday Junior do to you? What did he do to you? You guys didn't give my son peace as a pillar. Why come in and say condolences now that he's not there? Condolences to who? To me? I need to you hate me. So why give condolences now? To who? While you spoke about him that while you spoke about him ukuthi uzothwala ngaye. So what's the condolences for? Don't fuck with me like that. I'm not gonna do shit. I'm not gonna do shit to you. But he better fight.
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So guys, that is a snippet of Gogo Skotheni's latest podcast that went up on her YouTube channel. She actually posted these snippets on Instagram and she put up a caption. This is one of the interviews I never thought I would be able to do. But here we are, to everyone who has been there for me from the beginning until now. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Then she tagged at the host who was asking her the questions, I guess, Justice Chabalala. Thank you. I know this was a difficult decision for you to do this interview with me. Thank you. Then she says, please don't forget to subscribe, follow, and all of that. Guys, I can't imagine the type of pain she's going through. And I don't even think you have to actually be a mother or to have or to be in her shoes to kind of sympathize with what she's going through. Imagine, Jay, because, you know, like being a famous person is a task and a half. But as a human being, there's certain things, man. I always say certain things, if your mind is like that, like you can think them, let them stay in your mind, but don't say them. Even if you know it's a person you don't like. I don't get how there's some people who have been saying vile things with you, Gogo Skotheni, a whole lot of things, guys, that I'm just like, hi, but guys, and you're thinking, like, as she's saying in the clip, like, it does matter, like, she has feelings. There's no way people can talk. And then, never mind what people are saying. Imagine you love someone with all your being, yabanakekela, you take care of their child, only for their child to pass on and then for people to still accuse you of taking their child's life. I can't begin to imagine what she's going through. I saw one comment underneath her post on Instagram where someone was saying ukuthi ugogo Maweni went live on TikTok the other day, and she was referring to Gogo Skotheni saying lo ofelwe yingane, like speaking of her like in passing like that. And people were just going on about how insensitive she was during the situation, or during what Gogo Skotheni is going through, how Maweni was insensitive. Other people saying, if you are a mother, guys, you can't even be referring to someone ganjano. Like, yes, I know some people, they come here, these other celebs, they diss one another and it's all for money and all of that. But some things, guys, melagubene limits, Shane. And yeah, I really do hope that the Lord strengthens Gogo Skotheni through everything she's going through. As I'm saying, guys, I can't even imagine what she's going through. She says she doesn't question why her son's not here, but she does miss him a lot. But just the memory of living with a child, the memory of loving someone and just knowing that they're not here to enjoy this side of life, it's painful. Even for umuntu omdala, like when they pass away, like it's a painful thing. So I really do hope that she does get through this, that the Lord strengthens her despite all these things that people are saying. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.